This question also came in the WASSCE examination, and it was question number 34 in the 2026 Core Mathematics. In this question, we are asked to find the value for x. So let's see how we can solve this simple question. Now, let's look at these two lines here. We can see these 2 marks. We can see another one here. This 2 marks is telling us that triangle QPR is an isosceles triangle. So the length of this line is equal to the length of this line. So PQ is equal to QR. Okay, if PQ is equal to QR, then this side is also equal to this side. Okay, very simple. Now, since this side is equal to this side, I can say that if this side is A, this side will also be A, right? So now I can find the value for A. When I know the value for A, I can find the side. Rule number 2, if I know the value of A, I can also say that 50 plus A is equal to the exterior angle. The sum of 2 interior opposite angles equals to the exterior angle. So let's find the value for A. So straight away, 50 plus A plus the other A, that is the sum of angles in the triangle, is equal to 180 degrees. So we are going to have 50 plus 2A to be equal to 180 degrees. So 2A is equal to 180 degrees minus 50 degrees. 2A is equal to 130 degrees. If I want A, I divide both sides by 2, I divide both sides by 2. So A in this case is equal to 65 degrees. So now this side is 65 degrees. This side is also 65 degrees. Okay, so straight away, 50 plus 65 is equal to this side, or 65 plus this side is equal to 180. The sum of adjacent angles on a straight line. Let's look at the two. So in 2 ways, we can say 50 plus 60. Okay, 50 plus 65, is 65. 50 plus 65. 50 plus 65, the sum of 2 interior opposite angles is equal to the exterior angle. Is equal to 4x minus 5. Okay, so 50 plus 65 will give us 115, and this is equal to 4x minus 5. So therefore 4x is equal to 115 plus 5. 4x is equal to 120. So if I want x, I divide both sides by 4, I divide this side by 4. 4 will cancel 4, so we are going to have x is equal to 4 will go into 12, 3. So we are having a 30 degrees, and the correct option is option D. Alternatively, one can decide to equate to add 65 and the exterior angle, because they are adjacent angles on the straight line, and you get a 180 degrees. So we can also say 65 plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 180 degrees, adjacent angles on a straight line. I am not stating the reasons because this was a multiple choice question. Okay, so 65 minus 5 will give us 60 plus 4x, and this is equal to 180 degrees. So 4x is equal to 180 degrees minus 60 degrees. 4s is equal to 120 degrees. Dividing both sides by 4, we will have s is equal to 30 degrees. So you can decide to use any of the approaches that you find convenient. This question also came in the WASSCE 2026 Core Mathematics, and I think it was one of the simplest questions. In this question, we are tasked to find the value for angle PRQ. Angle PRQ. So we are asked to find the value for this angle. Let me call it A. So we are asked to find angle A. All right, very simple. Straight away, you know, in the question it was stated that the line PR is a diameter. If the line PR is a diameter, then this angle here is a right angle. That is 90 degrees. So if this side is 90 degrees, then 90 plus 35 plus A, sum of angles in the triangle, will give us 180 degrees. So therefore, A plus 35 plus 90 will give us 180 degrees. So we are going to have A plus 35 plus 90 will give us 125 degrees, and this is equal to 180 degrees. So if I want A is equal to 180 degrees minus 125 degrees. So A is equal to 55 degrees. And the correct option for this question was option A. Very simple. This question came in the WASSCE 2026 objectives, and this was question number 40. In this question, we were asked to find the value for angle SQR. So we were asked to find this angle here. All right. So this is an angle that is produced when a tangent is drawn to touch a line in the circle or to touch any point on the circle. And per the rules of circle theorem, this angle here is equal to this angle here. Okay. The angle produced by a tangent drawn to touch any part of a circumference is equal to the angle in the alternate segment. So this angle, so if this side here is A, this angle is also A. So now knowing this angle means we know this angle. So since this angle is 49 degrees, this is 52 degrees, and this side is A, we can sum the three equate to 180 degrees because of the sum of angles in a triangle. So therefore we are going to have A plus 52 degrees plus 49 degrees, and this is equal to 180 degrees. So we are going to have A plus 52 plus 49, and this will give us 101, and this is equal to 180 degrees. So therefore A is equal to 180 minus 101. So A is equal to 79 degrees, and the correct option for this question is option C.